Welcome to Yanshan Shilingfeng Pipeline Manufacturing Company Limited, your trusted partner in the production of reliable quality flanges and pipeline fittings. Located in Yanshan County, China's well-known pipeline equipment manufacturing base, we are a professional source factory with over 8 years of continuous industry experience, committed to excellence and innovation. Our company specializes in a full range of products including flanges, elbows, reducers, tees, and related pipeline fittings. We strictly adhere to international standards such as ASME, ANSI, DIN, JIS, GOST, BS, AWWA, and EN 1092, ensuring compatibility with global engineering requirements and diverse customer applications. Equipped with advanced CNC machining centers, forging presses, automatic welding lines, and heat treatment facilities, we manage every stage of production. Our skilled technical team ensures precise dimensions, smooth surfaces, corrosion resistance, and reliable mechanical performance for each product. We operate a strict quality management system, performing 100% inspection on critical dimensions, pressure resistance, corrosion resistant, and material composition. Every item is traceable with mill test certificates and complies fully with ISO 9001 requirements. With an annual production capacity exceeding 11,000 tons, we offer flexible manufacturing solutions for both standard and customized orders. Our dedicated export department has extensive experience in international logistics, customs documentation, and after-sales service, guaranteeing smooth transactions and timely delivery to any port worldwide. At Yanshan Shilingfeng, we proudly serve industries such as petrochemical, power generation, water treatment, shipbuilding, oil and gas, and more. Choose Yanshan Shilingfeng Pipeline Manufacturing Company Limited, delivering precision, strength, and trust to every connection you build. We look forward to cooperating with you.